Hello, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa sign na Capricorn. Yan ha, okay. Lola Baby nagpapakilala. Yan. Bibigyan ko kayo ng reading ha. Yan. Para sa whole month of August. Yan ha, okay. So, general po ito, not a personal. Yan ha, okay. Kung gusto ninyo ng private reading, feel free to email Lola Baby. Yan ha, nadoon po sa aking profile, sa description box. Yan, aking email. Yan. So, tingnan natin what's in your energy. Anong gusto nyo malaman? Your strength, the outcome, overall energy, challenge, di ba? Unexpected. Yan, ha? Okay. So, titingnan ko lang, ha? Your overall energy. This and that are true. Yan, ha? Yan. So, meron ditong number 20. Di ba? Yan. Kapag ka dolphins, ibig sabihin ng dolphins, symbolize your intuition, okay? Your inner voice, okay? Your guts, your five senses, di ba? So kaya nakalagay, dolphin spirit, this and that are true. So ibig sabihin nito, para malaman mo ang katotohanan, di ba? Hindi ka malito. Calm your mind, okay? Para marinig mo yung tinatawag, your inner voice, di ba? You pray. Okay, narito ang tinatawag, coyote spirit. Trust in divine detours, di ba? Yan. So, meron itong number 16. Yan ha? Yan. So, maganda ha. It's about, kasi pag sinabi mong coyote spirit, it's about your determination. Diba? It's about yung tinatawag na, ano tawag dito? Ano kaya sinulat ko sa anak ko? Nalimutan ko na. Diba? Yan, para magkaroon ng tagumpay. Yan ha. It's about your determination. Detours. Trust in divine detours. Yan ha. Di ko lang kung anong detours. So, nakikita ko lang. It's about your determination. Okay? Meron dito number 36. Koi fish spirit. There is always enough. So, ito yung tinatawag na si Jesus Christ together with these apostles, 12 apostles. Diba? It's like tinatawag na pakakainin. Libo-libong mga tao, milyon-milyon. Diba? Ilang isda, tinapay lang ang nasa basket. So, ibig sabihin ito ay nag-multiply. Diba? Nagkaroon ng miraculous para lahat mapakain. Because the fish symbolize abundance. Diba? So, ibig sabihin ito, nakikita ko, maniwala ka. Diba? Yan. It's like na, kung ano meron ka, yan, hindi ito magkukulang. Yan ha. Magiging tinatawag, baka sobra-sobra pa ito sa iyo. Okay? You just trust in your divine spirit. Diba? Teka, tingnan ko ito iba. Abundance, yan no? Kita ninyo. Diba? With the number 1. Okay? Abundance. So, nakikita mo dito. It's like you are the manifestor of your life, of your future, of your dreams. Diba? You are the alchemist of your destiny. Yan no? Abundance. Ang abundance, dumadating when there is action. Hindi naman pwedeng ang abundance, i-imaginein mo lang, di ba? Yan, kailangan dito yung tinatawag action. It should come from you. Diba? Yan, para magkaroon ng abundance. Kahit sabihin pa natin ako may abundance na darating sa inyo. Diba? Kung kayo na may nakaupo 24 hours, 72 hours, walang abundance. It needs an action. Diba? Self-respect. Yan na, 28. Okay? Ida-down natin sa number 10. Diba? Okay? Yan. It's like nakikita ko for you is irerespeto ka ng tao. Okay? Kung malaki ang respeto mo sa sarili mo. Diba? Yan. Okay? So nakikita ko naman sa inyo dito. Tinatawag na nire-respeto naman kayo ng tao. Diba? Because of your, maybe, you're a good person, kind person, matulungin na tao. Diba? So gamitan natin ng tarot. Diba? Sabi nga nila, you earn respect, diba? Gusto ka irespeto ng tao, kung gusto mo irespeto ka ng tao, respeto mo muna ang sarili mo, diba? Yan. Kung wala ka respeto sa sarili mo, wala ka respeto sa ibang tao. But if you respect, especially yung tinatawag na mataas ang respeto mo sa sarili mo, diba? Respeto mo din ang mga tao. Mataas din ang respeto mo sa iba. Diba? What's in your energy? Teka. Yan. Ayaw ko na reverse. Meron dito. The 5 of Pentacles. Diba? Ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag, maganda iyong pag-iisip. Maganda ang iyong pagtingin sa buhay. Diba? Pinapahalagahan mo every sense. Okay? Nakinita mo. Okay? Nahawak mo, maring for some of you, iniipon mo ang pera mo, diba? Maybe you are preparing for your future, diba? Maybe it has something to do about your profession, your work, diba? It's like dito yung tinatawag na we are the temple of the Holy Spirit. Your heart is the temple of your Holy Spirit, diba? So, pagka ang iyong tinatawag na heart is pure, di ba? Nagra-radiate. How you radiate, okay, to others. Ay di ito. Tinatawag kasi ang the 5 of Pentacles, it has something to do about the Venus, okay? About you and your relationship. Ibig sabihin nito, di ba? Paano nagra-radiate? When you smile, maganda ang ngipin mo, ibig sabihin niya, marami attracted sa inyo. Pag maganda ka magsalita, di ba, hindi ka nananakit, hindi ka bastos magsalita, ibig sabihin niyan, attracted ka sa kanila. Di ba? Kaya nga narito, self-respect, di ba? Ibig sabihin niya, pag hindi ka nagputol ng kuko mo, madumi lagi ang kuko mo, it reflects. It reflects yung tinatawag, your personality to others, di ba? It's kapintasan. It's minus points sa kapugian, sa kagandahan. Sabihin natin, naku po, pasok ka ng pasok sa trabaho, nangangamoy ka naman, di ba? So, kaya nga, ibig sabihin nito, how you take good care of yourself. Maybe for some of you, tinatawag, wala kang vices, di ba? You take good care of your skin, okay? Yan. You take good care of your personality, the food you eat, di ba? Okay. Yan. So, for some of you, nakikita dito, okay? Narito ang tinatawag na the page. The page of wands, di ba? It's like how you present yourself to the world, di ba? Okay? Yan. It's like about opportunities. It's like dito, yan, di ba? You are waiting, okay? For opportunities, doors opening. Very, very positive. Yan, ha? So, for some of you, ibig sabihin nito, very, very attracted kayo sa iba, di ba? Especially mga bata. It's like you are their role model. It's like you are setting a good example, especially sa mga kabataan, and you are their role model, okay? Maybe it's your anak, pamangkin, mga pinsan, kapitbahay, kung sino man yan. Maybe you're a teacher, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, your relationship to others, okay? Pinahalagahan naman nila. Pinahalagahan mo ang relationship mo to others. Pinahalagahan din nila ang relationship nila sa inyo, di ba? It's like they love you so much, di ba? Okay? They respect you. They adore you, okay? They find you smells. It's like tinatawag your sense is lingering. Ano? Maybe you are using perfume, di ba? Yan, it's like tinatawag linger. Para kang yung tinatawag hinahabol ng mga butterflies. Where the perfume comes, where the sense comes from. Di ba? Yan. So, nakikita dito yung tinatawag the 9 of swords. Di ba? Yan. Oo, tama. The 9 of swords. So, it has something to do about intelligence, usapan, relationship, abundance, okay? Yan, abundance, okay? In a relationship with your siblings, with your parents, with your neighbors, in the house, at work. Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, social media, exchanging. It's like correspondence, exchanging words, exchanging ideas, exchanging whatever, diba? So it seems very, very ordinary. You can handle. It's like you can handle your everyday communication, work, diba? People, yan. How you handle it, diba? You handle it very, may success. It's like tinatawag sa buong araw, sa buong linggo, wala namang higitan sa iba, diba? Yan. So, the 3 of swords, di ba? Okay. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag between you and others. Okay? Yan. It's like here is they admire your ideas, they admire your intelligence, they admire your uniqueness, di ba? They admire your being different, di ba? Yan. Innovative mind, di ba? Yan. So, nakikita dito, it's about their admiration, di ba? Yan. It's like, tinatawag na, sandali lang, okay? It's about your strength. They admired your strength. It's like every day, you have new ideas to share, di ba? It's about their admiration towards you, di ba? Okay? Yan. So, so, this is it na. Okay? Ibig sabihin, nakikita ko for some of you, it's the challenge. Diba? Okay? How you grow. Yan na. Challenge. How you grow. Okay? It's like here, if you have a good relationship to others, diba? Your grow. Ibig sabihin nito, they will help you grow. Diba? It's like, sila magdadala sa iyo sa trono ng tagumpay. Diba? Dahil narito ang tinatawag na the justice. Okay? So, it's about tinatawag na a good leader. You're a good leader, di ba? Nakikita dito your discipline, di ba? Nakikita dito your focus, di ba? Nakikita dito, it's about your how you see things, di ba? Yan ang nakikita. And it's very, very fruitful. Okay? Okay. So, let's see. The 5 of Pentacles. Okay. So, ibig sabihin nito, narito yung tinatawag na the 6 of Wands. There is a success. Okay? In every, there is a revenue. Ano tawag dito? Let's say, sabihin natin a project, finished project, yan ha, there is a success. Dahil narito yung red, the red symbols, success. Okay? So, endeavor. Endeavor ba ang tawag doon? Okay? Success in endeavor. In what aspects? In every aspects of your life. Okay? So, narito ang tinatawag na the page, clarify natin on the page of wands. Okay? Yan. So, narito na. Ibig sabihin nito, the Big Daddy coin. Diba? They call that the Big Daddy coin. Successful wealth is coming your way. Is waiting for you. Yan. Maybe you will be informed about this tinatawag na abundant success. Flow of money. Ne? Ano pa? Reputation. Ano pa? Higher position. Wages. Increase in wages. Diba? About magiging stable. It's about your stability, security. Okay? Maybe there's something to do about your savings. Diba? Mag-i-improve ang iyong pamimera. It's like acquiring wealth. Diba? So, tingnan natin itong tinatawag na the Empress. Okay. So, ibig sabihin nito, good relationship. Okay? It's like tinatawag ditong partnership, di ba? Interaction, not interaction, it's sponsoring, di ba? Ano pa ba ito? Papasok ka sa kontrata, okay? Yan. Kontratang pag-ibig, kontratang trabaho, yan. Ibig sabihin nito, you will work, okay? You will work to them, diba? Ibig sabihin nito, maybe they will invite you. They love your aura. They love your energy. And you are the apple of their eyes, diba? You are the apple of their eyes. You are their candidates, diba? Okay. It's like tinatawag, they trust you, okay? So there is a contract to sign, okay? There is a research, maybe a research work, di ba? Kasi narin na yung tinatawag niyan, no? Di ba? It's more about communication, a messenger. Maybe you're the messenger, okay? Maybe there is a, sabihin na natin ipadadala ka for a project or for a research or for a meeting, conference, di ba? Yan, okay? It's like other, maybe foreigners or something like that, okay? So, ang tinatawag na the 9, okay? The 9 of Swords, okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, very, very fruitful, abundance, okay? The outcome, yan, no? Kita ninyo, okay? Of this, diba? It's like magkakaroon dito ng provision. Yan, ha? Yan, sa tinatawag na the Empress to the 2 of Cups. Okay? Yan. So, kasi pag sinabi mo the 2 of Cups, it has something to do about partnership, unity, love, compatibility, happy couples, soulmates, di ba? Yan. Proposals, engagement, di ba? A marriage. So, ibig sabihin nito, windfalls of money from kung saan man yan. Maybe it has something to do about writing. So, there is a trouble, okay? Pupuntahan. May pupuntahan kayo, okay? Kasi narito financial windfalls of money, lump sum, okay? Yan. Unexpected financial. Yan, di ba? So, narito rin yung tinatawag solid foundation, okay? It's like tataba ang bulsa mo, okay? It has something to also tinatawag na family, home, maybe you will buy a house, you will inherit a house, di ba? Values. The values. Pag sinabing values, maybe what your parents taught you, di ba? The values you inherit from your parents, di ba? Baka pinalaki kang tinatawag na magalang, pinalaki kang masayahin, pinalaki kang merong tinatawag manners, di ba? Okay? Tingnan natin ang the 3 of Swords. Yan, ha? So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag there is a reunion, okay? Maybe friends, celebration, pagkikita, unity, siblings, magkikita, celebration, family, gatherings, okay? Yan. There is a gatherings, di ba? Festivities, yan. It's like there is a success needs to be celebrated, okay? maybe happy times, okay? Maaaring matagal mo na sila hindi nakita. Maybe your parents, spouse, children, kung sino man yan, diba? Maybe a baby shower, okay? Maybe yung tinatawag na paghahanda, okay? For delivery. Yan, maaaring may mga nganak. Kundi man ikaw, baka kapatid mo, any members of the family, maybe friends, diba? So, tingnan natin itong tinatawag na the justice, okay? So, it's a very, very beautiful reading para sa mga Capricorn. Justice, double confirmation. Justice and justice. Yes, yes, yes. Wealth, okay? What you are desiring, what you are manifesting, what you are attracting, what you are doing. The result, diba? The challenge. Unexpected wealth is coming your way. Success. That's why narito ang tinatawag the Three of Cups, the celebration, for celebration, diba? It's about your strength, diba? Okay. Congratulate yourself. Okay? Congratulate yourself. It's like tinatawag, you made it. You made it. Okay? Yan. You are the one. You are the alchemist of your destiny, of your life, your future, of what you want to become. And that's the big daddy coin. Okay?